Hi, hello, good morning children. I am Vijayalakshmi from Tiny Dots Group of Schools. I am teaching social studies for first class students. Today we are going to know about the different places in our neighborhood. Already we started lesson number 9, neighborhood. I taught what is the meaning of neighborhood and what is the meaning of neighbors. What is the meaning of neighbors? And I explained about the shops, that means market and hospital also. Today we are going to know about remaining three different places. What are the different places in our neighborhood? Let us know. Before going to that, I am going to ask you one question, or I am going to tell you one information. What is that? What is that information? See, we are knowing about our neighborhood, but we have to know about our country also. What is our country's name? What is the capital of our country? And what are the boundaries of our country? What are the neighborhood countries of our country? We have to know. Okay, children. First, all of you open your homework notebook. Today, we are going to know about our country. We are going to know about our country. What is the name of our country? What is the name of our country? See, name of our country. Where we are living? Country means desam. What is the name of our country? India. What is the name of our country? India. We call it in Telugu as భారతదేశం. కొన్ని వేల సంవత్సరాల క్రితం మన దేశాన్ని భరతుడు అనే రాజు పరిపాలించాడు. ఆ భరతుడు ఎవరు కొడుకు అంటే దుష్యంతుడు శకుంతలాదేవి కొడుకు. ఆయన భారతదేశాన్ని బాగా పరిపాలించడం వల్ల ఆయన పేరు మీదుగా భారతదేశం అని పేరు వచ్చింది. ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఇండియా అని పిలుస్తారు. కంట్రీ అంటే దేశం. మనం ఉండే దేశం యొక్క పేరేం పేరంటే ఇండియా అని తెలుగులో భారతదేశం అని పిలుస్తారు. ఓకే, అండ్ ద సెకండ్ వన్, రైట్ ఇన్ యువర్ ఓన్ నోట్బుక్ చిల్డ్రన్. దీస్ ఆర్ very important bits. That why? Because you came from UKG now itself, so you have to know about your country, your district and your state, like that. What's happening around us? This is also neighborhood. మన చుట్టుపక్కల ఉండే మనం ఎక్కడ ఉంటున్నాం అని తెలుసుకోవడం అనేది చాలా ముఖ్యం. అండ్ సెకండ్ వన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ state? What is the name of our state? Andhra Pradesh. Right, capital letter. Andhra Pradesh. ఆంధ్రులు ఉండే ప్రాంతం కాబట్టి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ అని పిలుస్తారు. Put full stop. And third one, what name of our district? What is the name of our district? We are living in Guntur district. District means jilla. State means rashtra. Okay. And capital of our country. New Delhi. What is the capital of our country? New Delhi. Write in your homework notebook, children. Capital of our country, New Delhi. దేశానికి సంబంధించిన ముఖ్యమైన ఆఫీసులు, కార్యాలయాలు, ముఖ్యమైన అధికారులు, ప్రెసిడెంట్, పిఎం, లైక్ దట్, దే విల్ స్టే ఇన్ క్యాపిటల్ ఓన్లీ. ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆఫీసెస్. The government rules the country through this capital. Okay. What is the capital of our state? Till now Amravati only. What will happen in the next few years we don't know. Amaravati, capital of our state. Amaravati, capital of our state. Amaravati. Okay. Capital of our district. Guntur town. Guntur town. Write in your homework notebook, children. I tell you one more time. Name of our country, India. Name of our state, Andhra Pradesh. Name of our district, Guntur. Capital of our country, New Delhi. Capital of our state, Amaravati. Capital of our district, Guntur. Write in your homework notebook, children. These are minimum GK questions, general knowledge questions. We should have awareness about our surroundings, about our neighborhood. So you should know from your childhood onwards. Okay. Write your homework. Next one. Next one. Seventh one. Seventh one. States in our country. States in our country. How many states are there? I already told you. To rule the country easily, government has divided our country into 29 states. 29 states. How many states are there? 29 states. 29th state is Telangana, recently divided from Andhra Pradesh before 7 years. Before 7 years. Okay? 29 states. How many districts in our state? In our state, 13. 13 districts are there in our states. To rule the states easily and comfortably, our government has divided Andhra Pradesh into 13 states. 13 states. Ninth one. See. Listen, children. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Prime Minister of India. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi. Next. 10th one. Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi. President of India. President of India. Ramnath Kovind. Ramnath Kovind. See, states in our country. How many states are there? 29 states are there. 29 states are there in our country. Districts in our state. 13 districts are there in our state. Guntur is our district. Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi. President of India, Ramnath Kovind. Ramnath Kovind. You write in your homework notebook, children. Next one. And what is in the north side of India? North side of India. What is in north side of India? Himalayan mountains. Himalayan mountains, Himalayan mountains. North side of India. What is the north side of India? Himalayan mountains. They are the natural boundary to India. మన ఇంటి చుట్టూ కాంపౌండ్ వాల్ ఉంటుంది, జంతువులు దొంగలు రాకుండా గేట్లు తాళం వేసుకుంటాం. అలాగే భారతదేశానికి సహజంగా ఏర్పడిన ఒక అడ్డు కూడా, వేరే దేశాల నుంచి శత్రువులు కానీ ఎవరైనా వచ్చి మన దేశాన్ని ప్రజల్ని ఇబ్బంది పెట్టకుండా సహజ సిద్ధంగా భగవంతుని వరంలాగా కట్టబడిన గోడ పెద్ద చాలా ఎత్తులో ఉంటాయి ఈ మౌంటైన్స్. హిమాలయన్ మౌంటైన్స్, హిమాలయన్ మౌంటైన్స్. సౌత్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా. వాట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ సౌత్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా? వాట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ సౌత్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా? Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. What is in south side of India? Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. చాలా పెద్ద మహాసముద్రం. 5 మహాసముద్రాలు ఇది చివరిది. ఇండియన్ ఓషన్, హిందూ మహాసముద్రం. హిందూ మహాసముద్రం. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ సాల్ట్ వాటర్ బాడీ, నాట్ డ్రింకింగ్ వాటర్. ఈస్ట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా. East side of India, Bay of Bengal, Bay of Bengal. This is also salt water body. This is a sea. This is a sea, Bay of Bengal. West side of India, west side of India, Arabian Sea. This is also sea, salt water body, salt water body. It is in the west side of India. So India has one side land, no water. It is north side. It is the north side, Himalayan mountains, and the remaining three sides are filled with salt water. Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea. Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. These are the 4 boundaries of 4 neighborhood of India. Neighborhood of India. India చుట్టూత 4 వైపులా ఉన్న ప్రదేశాలు. See, 2 days before onwards, one cyclone was formed in Bay of Bengal in the east side of India. Because of that, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are getting big rains. Today only it was went out of sea, and today and tomorrow also we will have big rains. Okay, children. So when the cyclone happened in sea, we'll get rains. Cyclones are storms. So we have land in north side, and remaining 3 sides we have water, sea water. That's why India is called as a peninsula. Okay, children. North side of India, Himalayan mountains. South side of India, Indian Ocean. East side of India, Bay of Bengal. West side of India, Arabian Sea. These are the boundaries of India. Okay, write in your homework notebook. Children, are you writing neatly? You improve your handwriting. This is the leisure time, free time for you. This type of time I think you won't get in your life. So try to improve your handwriting. Write every day copywriting. At least 4-5 lines, Telugu 5 lines, English 5 lines, and Hindi 5 lines. By that you can improve your handwriting neatly. Try to learn. Don't waste your time. Don't watch TV and mobile always. That's not a good habit. That's a very, very bad habit. That may be bad for your health, injurious to your health. మీకు ఆరోగ్యాన్ని పాడు చేస్తుంది. ఏదో ఒకటి ఆటలు ఆడుకోవడము, లేకపోతే కాపీ రైటింగ్ రాసుకోవడము, స్టోరీ బుక్స్ చదవడము, ఇటువంటివి చేయండి. టైంని వేస్ట్ చేసుకోవద్దు. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ద నైబర్హుడ్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా. Neighborhood of India. Okay, now I think you have written these 15 blanks in your homework notebook. Try to write one more time, read them and try to learn them, try to remember them, try to remember them. Okay children, bye children.